Guys, this is going to be a very short video where I'll be talking about types of videos on YouTube. So as you know, in YouTube, there are multiple types of videos available. And I'm just going to explain you all those types so that you can understand that what is the difference, basic difference between all those types and which type of YouTube video you should choose and which type of videos suits you better, right? So let's start this video with the first slide, and here I have mentioned all the types which I'm going to explain you in this particular video. So here I have mentioned that there are 5 types of videos on YouTube. The first one is regular videos, like this one. This is also a regular video, right? Then we do have trailer videos, right? So YouTube provides you a feature to add a trailer video to your YouTube channel. Then we do have feature video. Again, YouTube provides you to provides a feature to add a feature videos on our YouTube channel. Then we do have short videos, then live videos. So these are the 5 types of videos which I'm going to explain you one by one, that what is the perks or what are the basic differences and major differences between all these types, right? So let's go to the first one, and that is regular video. So here I have mentioned few points over here, right? So the first point says these are the main videos of your channel. Obviously, if I show you our channel over here, so as you can see, if I click on the video section, so these are known as the regular videos of any YouTube channel, right? So these are the regular videos, or you can say the main videos which brings views and then ultimately converts your views into money, right? So these are the regular videos. I have mentioned few more points over here, like through these videos you provide the desired content to your viewer. Obviously, this video is very helpful in getting new subscribers and keep all subscribers engaged or connected with your channel, right? The last point says these videos are the main source of the income on your video. Main source of income on YouTube, right? So as I told you that these are the videos which get views, and then ultimately these views gets convert into money, right? Your income. Now, after regular video, we do have trailer video. Now you might be thinking about that, what is this trailer video? So the trailer video has a brief introduction to your channel. So let's say you haven't subscribed any channel. You have come across a new YouTube channel. For example, if I go to youtube.com and if I click on any channel, any new channel whom I haven't subscribed yet, right? So what I'm going to see, their trailer, right? If the YouTuber has created the trailer video, I'll be able to see that trailer in the first section of the YouTube channel. Let's say if I open this one, moneyfundas.com. So here, if I scroll a little bit down here, this is the trailer video. This is what trailer video looks like, right? Now, what happens if you have subscribed the YouTube channel? So let's say if I haven't, as you can see, I have subscribed this YouTube channel, right? But you can think that I haven't subscribed the YouTube channel, and if I'm not subscribed, I haven't subscribed this YouTube channel, the trailer video gets appeared here. Now let's go back to the PPT. Now here you can see whenever a new person comes to your channel, they will see the trailer. As I told you, the trailer video helps to increase your subscribers. Basically, trailer video gives a glimpse about your YouTube channel, like what you do, what you provide here, right? The trailer video also helps to categorize your channel niche, as I told you, right? So the viewers get an idea that what is this channel is all about, right? So this is what the trailer video is. Now, then comes featured video. Now you should read these points, like when a subscriber visits your channel, the first video shown on to them is the featured video if you have applied this to your channel. So if I go back to Money Fundas, right, this is the featured video right now. This is not the trailer video because I have already subscribed. So if the existing subscriber visits your channel, the first video the subscriber will be able to see is the featured video in the home section. This is the first video, right? And this is what the featured video is. Now, what is the use of these featured video? I have mentioned here. It helps you to increase views on your video, definitely, because you can talk about some of the most popular series or some of the most popular video topics in the trailer video itself, right? The third point is Very famous or highlighted videos are kept on featured videos so that views of the video increases, right? So I think you got an idea. Like, you can use any of your primary videos as a featured video, but most of the time YouTubers use their top performing video as a featured video so that the returning subscribers can watch that video again or maybe multiple times in order to increase the views. Right now, the last point says featured video is also helpful to strengthen the bonding between the channel and its subscribers. Right now, I hope you got the point about featured video. Now we do have YouTube Shorts videos. So this is not the traditional type of content which YouTube provides. This is kind of a new feature which introduced recently, maybe 3-4 years ago, not more than that. And if you know, YouTube came back in 2005-6, so it is pretty new feature. Now again, here I have mentioned 5 points. Let's read these points. The first point says shorts are the short video sharing platform provided by YouTube. Right, so this is kind of a separate platform, as you can see. Although you can access shorts in youtube.com itself, you don't have to go to any other website. But when you are watching YouTube Shorts, you can see only short videos only. Then you will be not able to see the regular videos like this. Right, so there's a separate tab on all YouTube channels of the short videos, like we do have in this Money Fundas channel. Right now, YouTube Shorts are helpful in increasing subscribers very quickly because YouTube prefers short video content as Instagram prefers, because this is the new feature, and every platform, if they launches a new feature on a initial days, they try to boost that feature. So if you are creating short videos, there's a high chance that you will get a good amount of views very quickly compared to the regular videos. Right now, the third point says YouTube Shorts are very similar to Instagram Reels. So if you might have seen the Instagram Reels, if you have an Instagram account, then definitely you have used the Reel feature, and same like Reel feature, YouTube Shorts is. Now the fourth point says the only difference between them is Instagram Reels can be recorded between 15 to 30 seconds, whereas YouTube Shorts are 60 seconds. So YouTube allows some extra bandwidth, some extra time to explain your content or to provide the value in that short video content. Now the last point says YouTube Shorts generates little revenue, but it is used for branding and promotion, and it is very effective. So compared to regular videos, YouTube Shorts provides less revenue. You will not get that much amount of revenue compared to regular video. Let's say if you get 600,000 views on your YouTube Shorts, so you might be getting only $30-40. But on the other hand, if you get 600,000 views on your regular video, so you might be getting 1,000 or maybe $2,000 on that video. Right, so this is how it's done. Although there are many other things that contributes while calculating your revenue, right? So keep that thing in mind. Now the last video type is YouTube live videos. Yes, YouTube allows you to go live as well. You can't just record the videos and publish it on YouTube. Even if you want to go live, directly live, you can go, or you can do that as well. Now what are the key points I have mentioned over here? Live streaming is an interesting feature of YouTube, by which any YouTuber can come live on YouTube and share his content. Right now, the second point is live streaming allows a YouTuber to communicate with his or her subscribers instantly. Yes, you do get this perk if you are using the live stream feature. Now the last point says YouTube is a cost-effective way to stabilize a brand. So if you are into stabilizing a brand, if you are into creating a brand, then YouTube Live is a good option to go with. So I hope you understood all those 5 content types or video types available on YouTube. And if you still have any question, query, any kind of confusion, you can comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. Now let me take a leave. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.